Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Yes, I am so excited because today we are making a delicious, what do you want to call it? Quiche, fajita, I don't know, whatever you guys want to call it, but I'll figure it out later. I do know that it is gluten-free and it's vegetarian. And let's get started with the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because it is free. So let's start with our olives. I have some black olives here. I have some spinach. I already cooked these spinach. Here I have some cheese, and this is vegan cheese, but you can use any cheese that you like. Some egg whites, and this is about a cup of egg whites. If I need more, I will add it. If not, then this is perfectly fine. We have some wraps here, and the wrap that I'm using is almond flour wrap. This is paleo, non-GMO, and it is gluten-free and dairy-free, soy-free, and it is vegan. So this is a vegan wrap, and it's perfect for the entire family. They will love, love, love it. This is why I love this delicious gluten-free recipe. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So once you assembled all your ingredients, let's head over to the stovetop and make this deliciousness. I have my heat on. You can use oil, olive oil if you have it, but I'm using ghee. Will aid in your weight loss if you are on a journey of wellness. So what I will do is I will add my wrap, and I just want to add it just a little bit up like that. What you want to do now is just add your spinach. And now I'm just going to add my olives. And you can use whatever toppings that you guys want for this. But I guarantee that you guys will love it. Absolutely love it. Add in all my olives. Yes, this is a lot of olives, but I love olives. Then I will add my egg whites. Pinch of salt on top. Italian seasoning. That, and don't forget that my oven is being preheated at 350 degrees. You can add feta cheese, whatever cheese that you like to this recipe, but I have some vegan cheese that I will just add to it. This will be going in the oven for 10 minutes, and we'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Be right back. Okay, my healthy friends, so I just removed it from the oven, and that is what it looks like. I'm just gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then we will cut into this deliciousness. And now I will use my pizza cutter, and I will cut this. It's nice and crispy, right? Take a nice piece out like that. A simple and easy recipe, perfect for the entire family. It is healthy and delicious. Make sure you make it for your entire family. If you do, tag me at Maxine's Corner on Instagram. I'll see you guys next time in another video, and stay with me. Stay healthy.